Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 20% and open the Firebolt companion app on your phone. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the phone and put the watch into pairing mode from Settings Connectivity. You do this now because an unstable battery or missing app blocks the phone call feature. Pairing must be established before call routing. Make sure notifications and call permissions are allowed in the app. Otherwise, the watch cannot access the phone's dialer or microphone. You pair next. Tap the Firebolt name in your phone's Bluetooth list and confirm the PIN shown on the watch. Once paired, open the companion app and grant call, contacts, and microphone permissions. These allow call control and audio routing. Then navigate to call audio or phone settings in the app and set routing to either phone or watch, depending on whether you want the watch as a speaker. Doing these steps ensures calls are routed properly and contact names display during incoming calls. You finish by making or receiving a call. Open contacts or the dialer on the watch, select a contact or type the number and tap call. For incoming calls, swipe or press the call button to answer. Use the watch mic and speaker if you set audio to watch. If you hear no audio or the call fails, first toggle Bluetooth, then restart the watch and phone. If problems persist, repair the devices. This clears stale Bluetooth profiles and fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.